got a special unboxing to do. So we got the MaxFlow, and this is the MPRO. This is actually the Gen2. So we will check that out. And I ended up going a little overboard. And yes, I have personalized plates dedicated to my pressure washer. You gotta have some fun, right? So, welcome to AMI Detail. Never know what you're gonna get here, do ya? So yeah, you see it comes in an awesome box. I mean, they do a great job. It's got handles built in. It's about 20 pounds, so it's not like very heavy, but yeah. So let me put you on a stand here and we'll get to cutting this puppy open. Trusty Milwaukee. We got a quick start guide. It says motorized in the world since 1989. So, and look how nice this is packed for. I'll set that there for now. Nice foam holding it down, and they recommend, saving the box. The instructions, I mean, check this out. The instructions told me I have to save the box. So, finally, someone agrees. Save the box. Wow, that's nice. It's got the quick connect set in there. So I bought the bare unit with the quick connects because the bare unit wasn't available on its own. Yeah. Start a collection here. A few desiccant bags. Keep everything nice and dry and shipment. So yeah. Cool. And here it says fill oil before operating. So it actually ships just without the oil in it. Different nozzles. And again, these are all 4.5s. So yeah. Heavy duty cord, that's for sure. It's just a standard, runs off 15 amps. So nothing crazy there. So I'm gonna give myself a little cord here. I'm guessing that I should be able to mount it where I'm thinking. We will see. I'm going from a dual Ryobi setup, which if you have been following my channel, you've probably seen my kind of adventures with that. So what they did is they taped that over the power button there. You got your power, you got your selector for the, if you want to reduce or increase the pressure there. And as far as the fittings for, real nice way they protect that. A nice plug, it's a filter system in there. And same way here to protect the threads, they got the some nice caps, so throw those in to save them. And yeah, as far as the oil fill, I'm going to look at the instructions, make sure that I do this properly. And like I said, in here is this is the quick connect set. So we got from the pressure washer. Put that on now because I'll definitely be connecting my hose right there. These are nice, they just go hand tight because they have the O-ring in there. And then quick connect for the garden hose. They even have, let's see. Yeah, so there's a quick connect for the garden hose. And that would be this guy here. So, which I didn't have a quick connect before. I'll see if that's, don't know if I'll end up using that or not, but it's kind of nice that it comes with that. So you usually hook that on your garden hose and hook that on and off if you need to. So yeah, we will see what we need to do here. Thanks for joining me. Okay, so here's the section, quick start guide. And like it says, it's fill oil before operating. So you want to put the LED bar facing down. So all the oil will be put in there. Comes with the included wrench, the Allen key for that. So basically just loosen that, put that, and then say hand tight, and we'll be good to go. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm working on the floor here, take the drain plug out, and the fill plug, I guess it's in this case. So some units have a breather cap that they already come with the oil. Then you swap that over. Yeah, this is a nice way of doing it. And then this is when you do an oil change, you'll have this for kind of the maintenance part. Again, I'll put this on. Thread it on straight, helps. Tip it up and good thing I still have my knife. It actually comes sealed on the end. So I'm going to just cut a section off here. Just like that. That works better. And we'll reinstall the plug. It's got a little O-ring on the bottom there to seal it. That's why it says just hand tight. One kind of nice thing with the Allen key, if you use it this way, it'll kind of limit how much force you put on it, because you start going this way, and yeah, you can crank it down a lot. So. But yeah, that's a nice little unit. So let's go get it hooked up.